Welcome to this stunning home in the desirable Elon subdivision, offering the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. The home is conveniently located to downtown Columbia and only minutes from Spring Hill. With carefree professional landscaping, it makes the perfect yard for busy people. Allow me to show you all the bells and whistles of this almost 2,900 square foot home. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, the home features a thoughtfully designed living space with room for everyone. From the sand and finished hardwood floors to the floor-to-ceiling fireplace, this home can be your own personal oasis. The primary suite offers a private retreat with a walk-in closet and a generously sized spa-like bathroom, complete with soaking tub, separate shower, and modern finishes. At the heart of the home is an open-concept kitchen with sleek quartzite countertops, beautiful subway tiled backsplash, abundant cabinetry, and modern appliances, a dream for any home chef. The kitchen flows into a spacious dining room area and great room, perfect for gatherings and everyday living. 3 bedrooms are conveniently located on the main level, providing ease and accessibility, while the upstairs offers an additional private bedroom adjoining the expansive rec room, perfect for guests, hobbies, or family fun. Step outside to the covered back porch, a versatile space designed for 3-season enjoyment. Whether you're relaxing with morning coffee, hosting gatherings, or enjoying quiet evenings, this Elon subdivision gem presents an ideal opportunity for those seeking a well-appointed home with modern living spaces and practical features in a sought-after community.